Happy Saturday, people. It's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. I am here at home because where else would I be during the quarantine? And hopefully you are at home as well. Are you having a good Saturday? I don't know. Hey, guess what? Lauren Lillian is watching. Lauren is with me. She's my niece. Woohoo! She's here. She'll be reading comments, questions. If you have anything you want to ask me, ask away. Lolly's here, but you might not be able to see her. Today, I am going to be showing you how to make overnight oats like you've never seen them before. How's that for a catchy headline? Overnight oats like you've never seen them before. Okay, the audience is filling up, so I don't want to give too much away right now, but I'm going to show you some ingredients that we're going to be using today. What are these? Quaker oats. I'm sorry this is backwards. This is a mirror image, so trust me, that says Quaker oats. The next ingredient, and this is what's going to make these oats special today and different from what you've seen, matcha powder. Okay, the best, I don't know if you like green tea or if you think you don't like matcha, it's really good for you. It's filled with antioxidants. Trader Joe's makes the best matcha powder in the world. If you don't have a Trader Joe's, you could just get matcha powder everywhere. Hi, hey Regina. Okay, so you're going to use matcha powder. I use a little bit of cinnamon in these oats, a little bit of sweetener, and the whole idea about overnight oats is this. You throw them in a little glass or a jar, whatever you use, you cover them and you put them in the fridge overnight. And then the texture is perfection. You don't have to use your stove. Hi, Kansas. You don't need a stove. You don't need to use any heat at all. This is a good recipe to make with the children. Hi. Is this a close-up? Hey, Marla. Howdy. And then what I do with these overnight oats, when I'm done with them, I'm going to assemble them into a parfait. It's going to be a giant breakfast. All right, do you want me to start? I'll start. All right, to make the overnight oats, hey, Rosemary, make the overnight oats. You're going to start with a glass. I like to use a glass or a jar that has a top because I don't like anything to sit open in the fridge overnight. You have to cover it. It's kind of gross to leave something sitting. You need old-fashioned oats. I have a giant canister because I love oatmeal. Hey, I'm just saying hello to people. You need a half cup of these oats. Serving, so that's 150 calories so far if you're counting. Next up, the matcha powder. Now, this is a really clever idea to put matcha into the oats. It gives it really nice flavor. It's really healthy. I do the same thing with coffee. I'm going to show you cocoa oats, coffee oats at different times. But for now, today, we're making matcha overnight oats. So you have your half cup of oats. You've got your matcha powder, which is yummy. And again, Trader Joe's is my matcha of choice. You've got a little cinnamon. Throw in there for flavor, as much as you like. I'm going to use a Truvia packet because you want them to be a little sweet. Truvia is stevia, so that is a natural sweetener. A lot of people, like my niece is here. I make these vegan for her, and she really likes agave, so you can put in agave if you have agave. But if you don't have agave, you can just use, hold on. You could just use your Truvia because that's what I like. Next, you want a milk. So it's a half a cup of milk. My milk of choice is always going to be unsweetened vanilla almond breeze because it has 30 calories for a cup, so a half cup only has 15 calories. That's very low. But I'm going to tell you today, I am using this. This is organic protein almond milk. It's a little bit higher in calories, but I'm using it because it has tons of protein. 10 times the protein of regular almond milk. So that's pretty crazy, and I do that for my niece because she's vegan and she needs protein, and it's hard for her to get protein sources. So you're gonna put your milk in the glass, and then you mix, mix, mix. Hey, what's going on? Anybody saying anything?
Everybody's just saying.
Lauren's like, no one's saying anything. All right, I'm gonna tell you something. While we make these, to me they don't work as well, so they're too coarse. I like the old-fashioned oats. But wait, I want to show you something cute. I'm going to show you something cute in a minute, and then I'm going to do a giveaway. Please don't make fun of me, because I know you guys in the quarantine, a lot of you are doing jigsaw puzzles, and you're like, oh, I did a 1,000-piece puzzle in like 2 minutes. I can't do that. I'm going to show you a craft that I have been doing. Okay, This is your oats. You want to put this in the fridge overnight. Or get up early in the morning and just make them all day oats, and they'll be done in like 6 or 7 hours. So into the fridge they go. Hello. I'm still here. I'm back, actually. Hey, I'm reading. Why not? But you can put protein powder. In fact, I made overnight oats with protein powder for Lauren this morning. Lauren, they tasted protein powdery.
Right.
You could really taste the protein powder. So, but it's not bad. So this is the overnight oats that I made overnight. But before I assemble my parfait, I'm going to show you what I've been doing to craft. Because I don't have the patience to do like a full-on paint by number. I don't have the patience to do a 1,000-piece jigsaw puzzle. If you agree with me, send some hearts. I need hearts, because am I the only person that can't sit there for 30,000 hours trying to put 1,000 pieces together? No. Instead, I purchased this paint by sticker book, which is really meant for children. And you can do sticker photos of animals. Should I be embarrassed to tell you this, or is this fun? What are people saying? Fun? Yeah, Lauren's like, can you please make another animal? So what I decided to do is tonight I'm going to ask a trivia question, and I'm going to give away the first sticker animal that I made. Are you ready? Jody, hey! All right, I made Ellie the elephant. Can you see her? I signed it. She looks cute. I put a googly eye on her. I'm going to put some rhinestones on this and embellish it more. If you like Ellie, give me some hearts, because I think she's cute. And one of you is going to win this. I don't know what the heck you're going to do with it, but I'm going to send it to you. Is that weird? I hope not. I'm going to make more, and I'll probably give these away every night because I'm bored, and I got this on Amazon if you want to get it. All right. Now, the fun part. I'm going to make a parfait. And here's what you need for the parfait. And again, you can mix and match with anything you have at home. Because during quarantine time, desperate times call for desperate measures. So if you don't have the exact matcha, you could use instant coffee. If you don't have strawberries like I'm going to use today, you can use an apple. You can mix and match the fruit. You can mix and match the milk. You are in control. You are in control of these overnight oats, people. You can make the parfait of your dreams. Tonight, I am using my matcha green tea overnight oats. I'm probably gonna use a little more cinnamon. I got strawberries, conveniently located. I've got a knife. And one more key ingredient, and guess where it is? It's in the fridge. I'll be right back.
Can you remind them the proportions of the milk and oats?
Yes. If you guys want to be reminded of the proportions of the milk and oats, this is your lucky minute. A half a cup of milk. It's that simple. Yogurt is another ingredient I'm using. This happens to be a less sugar Chobani Greek yogurt. It's Madagascar vanilla.
They want Ellie, by the way.
They want Ellie. Do you like Ellie the elephant? She's so cute. Listen to me. This book, that activity is really made for like 7-year-olds, but it's fun. What can I say? All right. So to make the parfait, let me move this junk out of my way. I have a very cute parfait glass. Look at this. It's acrylic, so it can't break, and I hate when I break and shatter a glass, especially if you have animals, which I do. So I'm using acrylic today, and I'm going to start by putting some strawberries in here. I'm going to chop more strawberries. So we have a layer of strawberries. Then we are going to do a layer of the matcha green tea antioxidant packed overnight oats. Beautiful. And then we're going to do a layer of this Madagascar vanilla Greek yogurt. Are you enjoying this, by the way? Oh, you love Ellie. All right, you guys, Ellie's going to be yours. Someone's going to get Ellie. She's a very lovely elephant. All right, that's the first layer. Next up, I'm gonna slice more strawberries. Now, strawberries, do you know they're the only fruit with the seeds on the outside? And technically, I don't know if this is true, but right before I went live, Lauren said to me they're part of the rose family, and technically they're not a fruit. I cannot verify if this is true or if she's yanking my chain. Or, Lauren, is that really true?
That's what it said on
That's
one
what,
website.
if it said it on a website, it must be true.
I only looked at one website.
Thank you for liking my shirt. I probably got it on Amazon, like I get all my shirts. Okay, now what did we do? We did oats, we did strawberries, oats, yogurt, strawberries. So next up, I'm gonna do some more oats. This is so much fun, by the way, and really pretty. And I'm gonna guess this parfait is gonna have in the low 300 calories. I'm not even gonna guess it. It is gonna be in the low 300 calories. So we have more oats. It's starting to get beautiful. And lots of fiber, right? Somebody just said lots of fiber. From what? I don't know. There's not that much fiber in oats. Okay, then we have some more yogurt. Is this fun?
Yeah.
Are you guys having fun out there? I'm not gonna lie, I've made this parfait or a version of it for Lauren, like for breakfast the past few days.
So good.
She says it's so good. Okay, looks good. It looks good. I think it might need, I think I'm gonna do gonna take the next layer and do more oats and then put berries on top. Wow, this is a tall parfait. You guys, what are you saying? I'm making you hungry? All right, look. By the way, right after I'm done cooking, you guys, you should go, my first cousin is super talented. His name is Andrew Lubman, and he has this Beatles band. He sounds just like the Beatles, and he's live on Facebook right now. So when I'm done, you should go check him out. I'll tell you how to find him. But I'm gonna put a little more cinnamon on top. I have a little dollop of oat. And this is the parfait. And it's beautiful. It's so pretty. What do you guys think? Is this gorgeous? Wow, it's so, you know what? That is a masterpiece. This is overnight oats like you've never seen them before. Why do the oats look green? Because they're matcha. You guys, if you joined the party late, matcha green tea overnight oats. I have done so much with matcha. Today, I made matcha Rice Krispie treats, okay? Matcha Rice Krispie treats. I should show you those too. Maybe I'll show you how to make, I think I'm gonna do a Rice Krispie treat in a mug. In fact, please send requests right now for anything you wanna see. Do you want mug desserts? Do you wanna see more with matcha? Do you want me to cook with coffee? Do you want chocolate? Tell me what you want and I will give it to you. But this parfait, it's huge. I'm gonna eat it for breakfast tomorrow. Hopefully it'll last. And it has just probably around between 300 and 320 calories.
Jamie asked if you could recap the amounts in the overnight oats.
The amounts in the what?
In the overnight oats.
In the overnight oats, yes. Okay, round 4 on the amounts in the overnight oats. You have a half a cup of oats. Half a cup of oats, half a cup of milk. I like to use almond milk. I prefer to use unsweetened vanilla almond breeze because it only has 30 calories for a whole cup, but you can use the milk of your choice. For those of you who need more protein in your life, this is a product that I found, and I bought like 10 cartons of this on Amazon for my niece because she doesn't get enough protein because she's vegan. So this is a very high protein milk that you might be interested in. So you mix those things together, you keep them in the fridge. I put a little bit of sweetener. I like Truvia. You could use agave, you could use whatever sweetener you like. A little bit of cinnamon, put it all in the fridge, let it sit for like 6 hours. The oats, it becomes like a really good texture. And then you turn it into a parfait with your fruit and yogurt of choice. This happens to be strawberry vanilla, but it could be blueberry banana, or it could be apple raspberry, whatever. The world is your oyster. Okay, now, I do have a trivia question. And listen, the person who we pick, you don't have to get the question right, but you do have to answer in order to be eligible to win Ellie, who is the world's prettiest and stickiest elephant. I made this with my own hands, as evidenced by my backward signature, out of my paint by sticker book that I got on Amazon. You could win Ellie by answering the question. Here's the question. The United States produces a lot of strawberries. The state of California is the largest producer of strawberries in the whole country. That's where I live. Guess what percentage of all strawberries grown in America come from California? What percentage of strawberries? You don't cook the oats, no. What percentage of strawberries come from California? I'll give you a hint. It's large. It is a large percentage. It's large like this parfait. It's a large percentage. See if you can guess it. If you take a stab at it and you answer, you will be eligible to win Ellie, the world's most beautiful and sticky elephant. okay? You do that. I'm going to wait around. Any other questions and comments?
Someone said, have you tried the whipped coffee trend yet?
Yes, I made a video with the whipped coffee. You should see it. Yes, Jenny, it is Oxnard. It's Oxnard where they come from. Karen, Karen wants the elephant. You could just come to my house, Karen, and get the elephant. I mean, I'll leave it outside for you. Stay 6 feet away, but I'll leave you the elephant. Do you see this? This is the Parfait, but you could keep guessing.
How much matcha did you use again?
I used 1 packet of the matcha, which this is the matcha.
Is that like a tablespoon?
Well, you know what? It's really a serving, so I don't know. Sometimes matcha that you get, if it comes in a canister, is a little intense, so it might just be a teaspoon. I don't know. So I would use a serving. This is considered a serving, so if you have a packet that's a serving, use a packet. If not, follow the directions. If they're written in English, they may be written in Japanese, and so I don't know. Anyway, guys, are you feeling okay? You having a good day? I am having a pretty good day, and I'm having fun. Did anybody guess it right yet? I don't think they did.
I think I saw one person.
All right, the answer is, and it doesn't matter because you can answer and answer and answer after the fact, and you still will be eligible to win Ellie, the elephant. But the answer is 80%. 80% of the strawberries in the United States come from California, probably Oxnard, but all over California they're grown. So the strawberries in this parfait actually came from Oxnard. We got them from a lovely farmer's market in Oxnard. This is my breakfast tomorrow, so
the recipe's pinned
there
in the
you go.
In the comments.
Oh, the recipe is pinned in the comments. Did Jamie do that? Mm-hmm. Jamie, you are the best. Everybody thank Jamie. Thank Jamie and thank Lauren for their hard work and their dedication to these Facebook Lives and for their help and all of those things. Hi. Oh, I'm so glad you're feeling better. You know what? Doing these cooking demos makes me feel better too. And if you like music and if you like the Beatles, I'm telling you, for the next, I think, 2 hours or hour and a half, my cousin Andrew Lubman is going to be performing on Facebook. He has a cover band, and it's facebook.com/allyouneedis-lub, L-U-B, not love. All you need is lub. Facebook.com/allyouneedis-lub. L-U-B. He is fantastic. He sounds just like the Beatles. He's like a one-man show. He's probably with his whole band, or like maybe they're separately being brought in together on various screens. But he rocks no matter what. Even if he's alone just singing, you're going to love him. Anyway, thank you for the thank yous. Jamie and Lauren rock. I agree. You are a bright spot in the day. Thank you, Lisa. Thank you. And thank you for giving love for Jamie and Lauren because they totally deserve it. Yes, Kim, 78% is close to 80%. All right, well, I hope you like these overnight oats. If you want more overnight oats recipes, let me know. If you want more recipes in general, you should sign up for the daily emails at Hungry Girl. It's hungry-girl.com. You should subscribe. If you don't subscribe to the daily emails, you're missing out. I've been sending them every day for almost 16 years, and they're really great. There's also a Hungry Girl podcast, Hungry Girl magazine. You name it, we are there. Thanks, Jenny. You rock. I'm reading all of your lovely comments. Thank you. I really appreciate it, guys. Truly, I want you to stay safe. I want you to stay happy. I want you to stay home. And again, whatever ingredients you don't have, it's really easy to make substitutions. And I'm going to try very hard to only bring you recipes that you can substitute things for, because I don't want to frustrate you. I don't want you to feel like, hey, I don't have this and that, and so I can't make it. So I am here for you, but I'm going to go now. I have to go watch my cousin sing. Andrew. Facebook.com/allyouneedis-lub. Okay, sign up for daily emails. I will be back maybe tomorrow, maybe the day after, but I will be back very soon. Let me know what you want to see. I love you all, okay? Truly, from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for being here. I'm Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. Till next time, chew the right thing.